In this lecture, we will talk about the contextual borders and the sentences structure that we have created. For example, if you see here, we use the word you with a should, and you can see the answer you should drink 3.7 liters that are less than gallon or 16 cups of a water a day for a man and 2.7 liters for women, according to the study conducted by the US National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and the Medicine. Here, one thing first, you give the declaration, and then after you ask for the research. Don't give the research in the start. And here we did not answer with a yes or no because there is no direct answer. We give for a man and for a woman because it depends on a different factors. For example, if a user read the answer and it find this type of more information, so they search one query and after they search the different queries like how much should you water drink a day for men and for women. So that's why search engine choose the diverse answer. One important thing is that if you use how much in your question, must use the numerical values in the answer. And here we use the anchor text with the quotation marks because it is easier for the search engine and they separate this sentence from this specific sentence. And we also use the quotation mark to give the more weight to this anchor text. However, when asking, the answer can vary significantly depending on factors like geographical location, temperature, activity levels, and age. You can see here we give the different factors that if I open this specific article, we also here mention these specific factors. You can see we start with the research, US National Academies of Sciences, and then we give the numerical values, also different abbreviations, the different measurement units, and the 8x8 rule, and the different type of numerical values. So after that, we ask here how to calculate it. We ask following the consecutive semantics. We give the following question: to account for a body weight and exercise, physical therapist and clinical supervisor Jennifer Stone. This specific author is name is very most important, and here using the word account is directly the annotation of our question. Now the next is, if we ask the question what are the benefits of drinking water in the morning, here you can see we also ask that listing plus list definition, and we also here give the list definition. We can also see the benefits of drinking water in the morning are listed below, and we give here the different things: cognition, memory, attention, skin density, and these type of things. Here we ask the question: should you drink water before sleep? You should drink a bit of water before sleeping. Whether you should drink water before sleep depends on level of hydration and the sleep habits. It basically depends on different situation and the different scenarios. Again, we protect our answer format with the question format, and we use the positive word the drink, and we give this sentence in the positive form. According to the positive answer, we should giving a suggestion with the caution. Then we give the conditions for the question as well, with the general answer being to stay hydrated throughout the day and then to drink a bit of water before sleeping. Drinking water prior to sleep helps prevent overnight dehydration during hot temperature and may facilitate sleep by inducing a drop in a core body temperature. It also helps lessen hangover effects. Here we give the present sentence fact, and you can see this specific present fact sentence. It is a helpful. Drinking water before sleep may increase the frequency of night-time awaking and the urination. Frequent night-time awakings disrupt an individual's sleep cycle and as a result are associated with a decreased productivity, injuries, and even depression. It is again the health related section, and we give the here the chain of causes. Drinking water before sleep may cause increase the frequency and frequent night-time awakings. Basically, it is the chain of causes in a one sentence, and then in the next sentence we also give another cause. So if we expand like what is frequent night time or increase that one context about that, so it basically dilute our main context. That's also the problem with the AI. When we ask one thing to the AI, they give the 30 other things, and these 30 other things are not related that much to our topic. Here, should you drink water before dinner? You should drink water before dinner. Here we again protect our question format. If you wish, then we give the if declaration or the if sentence. And here we explain the certain type of possibilities. So in the next lecture, we will see the ending section of the article and the banners. So see you in the next lecture.